When I was young, I fight a lot on the street. Because my father teach me 小红拳, So this why I always test. My same age, I want to be similar. But after in the martial arts school, I learned how to respect the martial art. Martial art is a protect, it's not attack. And also the patience is not today just like some other martial art, just you come in, just do the fight. In the martial art, why we have a lot of stand, like 1 hour, just like that, for 1 hour. Why? Learn the patience. The patience is very important. Okay, especially these days, all the young kids, they don't have a patience. Even the music. If the music comes like, let's say, wise man say, okay, they turn the page already. They don't like the music at the beginning. They just want boom, wise man say, boom. Oceans apart. If you have like a change. So patience is very important. Why you go to the movie theater to see the movie? No matter the movie good or bad, you stay on the seat to see the whole movie. That's a patience. When you're on the class, the teacher teaches you, you sit there, doesn't move around, that's the patience. But these days, when you're at home watching TV, you will never see the whole movie. Why? Yeah, Mom? Oh, the movie good? Nah, no good. You don't even see the whole movie. You don't know the movie good or bad. So, as young people, you should have to learn patience. Patience is very important. When we was young, we were doing a martial art like this. Boom! The teacher says stop for 1 hour. Just like that. You just cannot move. The teacher put the glasses, put the action on your feet. You just have to standing there. Yeah, patience, especially these days, very important. Children, you are the future. Learn patience. Okay?